this session. In this module, we will look in natural resources. What are natural resources? The sources which are useful to man or it can be transformed into a useful product is called natural resource. There are two different types of natural resources. One is renewable resources, another one is non-renewable resources. மீண்டும் புதுப்பிக்கக்கூடிய resources மூலப்பொருட்கள் renewable resources. These resources are capable of being regenerated by environmental process. Examples are soil, water, air, wildlife, trees, plants, tides, etc. Non-renewable resources மீண்டும் புதுப்பிக்கப்பட முடியாத resources. These resources are not capable of being regenerated by environmental process. Examples are minerals, coals, oil, natural gas, groundwater, etc. First of all, let us see about forest resources. Forest resource is a renewable resource. 1/3 on the earth's surface is filled with forest. It provides fuel, wood, coal, furniture, etc. Types of forests. Evergreen forests, பசுமை மாறா காடுகள். Deciduous forests, சதுப்பு நில காடுகள். Coniferous forests, ஊசி இலை காடுகள். Evergreen forests found in equator regions. In this region, they need high rainfall. Throughout the year, these forests are green. Example, Silent Valley in Kerala. The important trees found in these evergreen forests are teak, rosewood, etc. Silent Valley in Kerala, it is shown in this picture. Deciduous forests. There are two different types of deciduous forest. One is tropical deciduous forest, another one temperature deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forest found in tropical region. There we can see the seasonal rainfall. The trees found in these tropical deciduous forests shed their leaves in summer. The important trees found in these forests are teak, sandalwood, pillai marudu, etc. Temperature deciduous forests. These forests found in heavy snowfall region. The trees found in this forest shed their leaves just before the winter. The forests are shown here. Then coniferous forests. These forests are having trees with needle type leaves. These leaves preserve moisture. The important trees found in these forests are pine tree, spruce tree. Here the picture for pine tree and spruce tree are given. Functions of forests. Forests are very important to human and nature. It is a habitat to plants, animals and wildlife. Forests recycle rainwater, purify atmospheric air. It controls water quality, maintains humidity, prevents soil erosion, promote tourism and give aesthetic beauty, and it decides the climate. Uses of forest. The commercial uses are the forests provide wood, fuel, raw material for paper, pulp, timber, and it provides gums, resins, dyes, medicines, drugs, honey, ivory, etc. Forests are used for mining purposes, grazing, and to construct dams. Ecological uses of forests are oxygen production during photosynthesis happens, reducing global warming by reducing carbon dioxide gases, soil conservation by roots of trees because the roots bind the soil tightly and firmly, regulation of hydrological cycle takes place by the forests, pollution moderators. Forests are acting as pollution moderators. Forest is a wildlife habitat. Aesthetic value. Basket, mat, cots, huts made by using bamboo. Leaves, fruits, flowers, seeds are used as food for tribal people. Alcoholic drinks and medicines are obtained from the forest. Oil for lighting and cooking are obtained. Aromatic oils are prepared by the forests, trees. Touristic value. Tourism provides income to the government. Over-exploitation of forest. Due to overpopulation, exploitation of forest takes place. The causes for over-exploitation of forests are increasing agricultural production, increasing industrial activities, wood demand. Deforestation. Deforestation is the process of removal of forest resources due to many natural or man-made activities. The causes of deforestation. Number 1, developmental projects. By constructing dams and then urbanization processes, roads, by these developmental projects, deforestation takes place. Number 2, mining operation. To take out the minerals, mining operation is carried out so that deforestation takes place. Third one, raw material for industries. To gain the raw materials, to get the raw materials, the forests are destroyed. Fourth one, fuel requirements. Fifth one, shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation means monoculture, that is same kind of plant is cultivated for throughout the year. Forest fires, காட்டு தீ. So pictures are shown with forest and with deforestation. Next, developmental projects. All these we had seen now only. Developmental project, mining operations, fuel, raw material for industries, fuel requirements, shifting cultivation, forest fires. Then impact of deforestation on the environment. That is consequences of deforestation. The main consequences are global warming, loss of genetic biodiversity, soil erosion, loss of biodiversity, loss of food grains. Global warming. Due to cutting and burning of forest, increases carbon dioxide in the atmosphere so that greenhouse effect is increased. Rising sea level and depletion of ozone layer takes place due to global warming. Loss of genetic diversity. Forest is the greatest storehouse of genetic biodiversity, provides new food and medicine for the entire world. This will be lost due to deforestation. Soil erosion. Soil erosion causes landslides, floods, drought. Loss of biodiversity. When trees and plants destroyed, food for some animals becomes demand, there will be disturbance in the food chain. Loss of food grains. Due to soil erosion, countries loses the food grains, which leads to change in food chain and food web. Here it shows the lowering the level of sea, melting of. Then preventive measures of deforestation. Migration of people from island to the mainland should be banned. Tree plantation program have been started. Awareness program should be conducted. Strict implementation of law of Forest Conservation Act should be followed. Case studies. Deforestation in Himalayan region. Forests are destroyed in Himalayan region. It leads to the loss of soil fertility and nutrients. The second case study is disappearing tea gardens in Chota Nagpur. Due to deforestation in hills of Chota Nagpur, rainfall decreases and tea gardens are destroyed. Thank you.